we're on to Cunnamulla today, and it's about a 300k run west. Obviously a little bit more remote, going into more remote country now. So you know, things start to kind of get a little bit more scarce. I anticipate as we go west, but you know what? These are still towns and centres that have all those basic things that we need. I'm really looking forward to showing you that when we get there. But for now, push on through Bolin, and we'll land in Kalamala in about 3 hours time. So see you there.
Thank you to Suncoast Caravanners for coming out. We had a brilliant day yesterday. You brought a lot of love and fun to our town, so thank you very much.
And I actually learned to make gluten-free scones because we had a gluten-free lady here yesterday. So that's on our menu forever.
Wonderful.
Thank you, it's lovely.
Now, thank you for your hospitality. I'm sure that everybody enjoyed coming through.
Thank you.
Okay.
So what a good couple of days we had in Kalamala. Though that little township heard about us coming, and like there was so much genuine excitement around us coming. They'd gone to all the effort to put out like blue and white flags and streamers, posters in all the shop windows, posters at the service stations. They were absolutely wrapped for us to turn up there. Not exactly sure the total number into the community, but you know, if it's in line with the other two that we've done, you know, there'll be over between $10,000 and $20,000 gone in there likely. Like honestly, with all the recent rain and stuff, the bit of water they've had out there, all the dams are full, all the grass is green. It's such a beautiful area there. The Riverside, Warrego Riverside Tourist Park where we stayed is dead set next to their river there, and it's at full swell at the moment. So it's just idyllic. We had a St. Paddy's Day dinner that was arranged, and you know, it was such a great event. You know, the local cowboys come down and put 4 or 5 camp ovens around the fire and cooked up Irish stew, lamb and beef, and cooked fresh cooked rye bread and all the sides and trimmings. It was something special. So mate, really enjoyed Kalamala. First time there for me. Fond memories from there now. And mate, I was walking around town there one morning, and it was also the Red Rose Day for the domestic violence movement. That's starting to get a bit of momentum now post you know, losing the 3 kids and mum the other week in Brisbane. And so there was some symbolic gestures happening even in Cunnamulla by painting the chairs in the public spaces red for in acknowledgement of that domestic violence, and it was really good to see the community pulling together. So thank you, Cunnamulla. We had a fantastic time. You were all very, very welcoming. Great times there. We're now pushing on through Charleville to end up in Mitchell tonight, and we'll do it all again in Mitchell. So yeah, stay tuned and more to come.